In this video, I will show you how to connect your Xbox Series S or X to your TV. So let's jump straight into it. So in this tutorial, I've got the Xbox Series S. However, the process is the same for an Xbox Series X as well. So to go ahead and connect up your Xbox, you're going to need two cables. So I've got the two cables here. First, you're going to need the power cable, which comes with your console. And secondly, you just need a HDMI cable, which looks like this. So here is the back of the console. This is what it looks like. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and plug your power cable into this slot here. So what you want to do is take your power cable and plug this in here. Once you've done that, you need to repeat this process with the HDMI cable. So what you want to do is take your HDMI cable and you want to plug it into the slot here, which says HDMI out. So this one just here. You can see I've got some other things plugged in as well. Now this thing here is a storage expansion, so you don't actually get this with the console, but this basically expands the memory of the console. And I've also got this plugged in, which is just a charger for my controllers, and this is plugged into the USB slot on the back. But the main things you want to do is plug the HDMI cable in and of course plug the power cable in. So once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is plug this into a power socket, so your power cable. Then with the HDMI cable, you want to plug the other end of this into the HDMI port on your TV. Once you've plugged that in, what you're going to want to do is press here. So this is actually a button, and if you press this, this is going to go ahead and turn on your Xbox. So for myself, as you can see, it has picked this up straight away. You may need to use your remote control to change the HDMI channel. So this is normally done by pressing the source button on your remote control, and then you can select which HDMI channel to switch to, which will of course depend on which HDMI port you have plugged the cable in for your console. So it's normally numbered like HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and so on and so forth, so you just want to select the appropriate port. And once you've done that, you should now see the Xbox screen showing like this. So that is how to connect your Xbox Series X or S to your TV. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.